What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Per usual, when I'm traveling, it's chaotic and I'm trying to rush out the door. Look at my nails. Mad ghetto. Like, ask me how I ended up like this. We're gonna talk about that in a minute. But I'm packing up my last things. It is the reunion, okay? So we are not here to play any games. We are here to serve and give what we need to give. So I overpacked. Mostly just makeup, but anyway, this is going to be an eventful weekend. I'm claiming that it's going to go great. Kandi's going to look incredible. And yeah, we're just going to speak blessings and blessings over this thing. And safe travels, everything running on time, just everything going well, and we gonna see, because I don't have time to vlog any of my commute. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in New York. It's pretty nice and quaint. Let's turn this light on. That is I. Hey y'all! We're getting ready for the reunion. So I have a couple hours. This is the shower. Ooh, that's a nice deep bathtub. Exciting. Okay, we got that. We got the sinks. Really cool. And voila. Somebody in the comments let me know why they have telephones in the bathroom, because I still don't know yet, and I'm 35. I just got out the shower. I'm about to do my makeup and pack up. Today is the big day. I'm already claiming it's going to be a blessed day. And yeah, I got to do my nails too, so I really got to put a move on it. Okay, so I wasn't going to do the pink wig, but I just decided, hey, let's just have a little fun today. Okay, so we went with pink. And we kept a soft beat. This is what I'm wearing. We're supposed to wear teal, and I gotta get out the door. So I hear doors closing, and that means that people are headed downstairs. The cars are waiting. I will film that, and I will see y'all in a minute. Good morning. Everybody has their colors on. Oh, please don't say I gotta push this, because I can't.
I think so.
Oh. Ah. All right, and we are rolling. Good morning.
Oh, she out here already.
Yes, girl.
They've been doing good with the attire.
We've been trying to keep up with y'all, you know. Thank you.
Yeah, I had some heels bag.
I got two slides in the bag.
I got slides in
I
the
got
bag
on tennis shoes and still got slides in the bag.
I brought some tennis shoes in the back.
I brought some too. Oh, I'm actually gonna keep that one. Okay, y'all, so we are halfway into the look. And it's not on you, it's on me. I cut the camera. We're almost there. We got like a couple minutes
here. The camera being on her.
Yeah. This is gonna be a really cute look. I can't wait for y'all to see it. Jody's over there on the hair. Jeannie's on everything, wardrobe and the whole creative, and it's about to be cute. So stay tuned. Be right back. This is Kandi's a lovely hairstylist. I want to know the inspiration behind her look today.
So the inspiration behind her look today was Kelly Rowland, and we just went with something short and sleek with a few highlights. We were supposed to do like a magenta, but everyone said no.
And this is Jamie. What is your inspiration behind Kandi's look today?
The inspiration is Sassy Siren.
Sassy Siren.
So she's got like the scales effect coming down with the ombre aqua.
It's gorgeous. I mean, just, you know that's my favorite color, right?
Aqua?
Yes.
It looks
My
good.
Yes. Officially on set of the reunion. Dun, dun, dun. Anyway, she looks incredible. Come in. Oh, hold on, sorry.
I've seen you at a party, and I'm just like, no, I think I see
Definitely not a party because I'm bored.
What was your name?
Tay.
Tay?
Yes.
I seen the Vancloof bracelet.
Nice to meet you. Amazon. Vancloof. And 30, honey, because this bracelet was $30. Okay. Y'all better stop spending all y'all money on this stuff. Okay, you did a bad nail job because my nail just popped off.
Is there?
Yes. And I don't even know what to do because, like, anyway, I guess I'm about to get my nails redone, and I wish I had my laptop. I think I'm going to take some pictures. This room is not, like, it doesn't fit my aesthetic. My aesthetic is more white, neutral colors. And I'm going to jump on my timeline.
Why you didn't put the other light
with pink hair. I would, but it's still, like, girl, like.
It actually looks cute with your pink hair. It looks Barbie.
Yeah, but I'm saying on
And we're in a
my
Barbie
feed.
theme
Like, if
right
you
now.
look on my feed, and I used to not focus on that, but if you look at my feed, everything is a certain, like, neutral. So to put, like, a pop of blue might be like,
It might make people be like, oh, what's this? You're too boring with your neutral background.
okay, whatever. I'll try something different.
When they come out, elevator?
I think the elevator's broken.
And did carry it downstairs in my heels with all this stuff. Yes, she did.
As all these men walk by and don't do
Walk by
nothing.
And don't offer help at all. Oh, good. I'm glad you dropped your phone. And not my camera.
See that? I'm trying to help her get footage while dropping my shit.
I'm just glad it was in my camera.
Oh shit, it's hot out here.